Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to add links to TikTok videos. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this as can see now tap on this section as can see now, tap on this plus button to upload your video. Tap on this upload button. Now go and select the video that you want to upload to your TikTok. For me, I will use this video. After you select the video, tap on this next button. Now here is the video. To add the link, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So as you can see now, if you come to this section now, go ahead and type in your description in this section. So after you type in description, now type in your hashtag. After you type your hashtag, as you can see now scroll to down. As you can see now, here is the section for adding the link. As you can see now, here is the section. As you can see here, it says add link. So as you can see now the section is shaded. Now you can't be able now to add the link. If I tap on this section, as you can see now, it's not working. So in the recent update of TikTok, now TikTok has disabled the option for you to add a link under a TikTok video. You can't be able to add a link under a TikTok video. Now the option is not working. As you can see here is option now the option is not working. You can only add a link on your description, but you can't add a specific link under a TikTok video. That's it guys. So don't waste your time searching for such videos. Here is the truth. Now nobody can just show you how to add the link. Here is the option, and the option now is not working. TikTok has disabled the option. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.